Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul of fashion stuff and beauty stuff. It's a bit of a mix today. Let's start that again. So it is a bit of a mix of things in this haul, but I haven't done a haul in quite a while, so I'm not really complaining because then I can get everything done in one video. I always have this apology at the start of videos, I feel like, but again, I've just had life getting in the way of things. I've been enjoying myself, I've had a lot of uni work to go on with, I've been working a lot, so yeah, when I don't upload like consistently, it's only because I can't or I don't have an idea for a video. It's not because I've gone off YouTube in general, it's just because I've kind of hit a wall. So that's an explanation for like the next time this happens. So the watch you'll be seeing in all of these outfits today is from Brian and Gilbert. As you can see, I have the cute little box here. They kindly sent this to me and I just wanted to show you online what this was called. The name of mine is the Belgravia Gold with the black dial, and you can also get many different others. You can get rose gold, you can get silver with a navy dial. There are so many different options. So if you like the look of this, make sure to check out their website. The link will be in the description, as I've said. And yeah, you can check them out as they are very kind in sending it to me. And they went so well with all of the outfits that I featured in this haul. But I'm quite excited to do this haul because I've been in kind of like a fashionista kind of mood. I definitely have phases where I prefer beauty over fashion and fashion over beauty. Recently it's been fashion, but there is a mix of the two inside this video. So I'm going to get on with it. First of all, being a few magazines, because this didn't actually show in my birthday haul. So I have 3 magazines here, 2 of which are Vogue. And Vogue I didn't get to feature in my birthday haul because it came through late, but my mum got me a Vogue subscription for my birthday. So every month I've been getting a Vogue edition. February's edition had Margot Robbie on the front, and March's edition had a Bella Hadid. I know it was Bella Hadid or Gigi, and I got Bella. Since getting this subscription, I've had this idea that I want to do this mood board, and especially for summer, but like a kind of fashion mood board, just to kind of experiment with sort of outfits and ideas and just kind of use these magazines as inspo. There is also the Love magazine with Kylie on the front, and this is spring summer 2018, so it means that I can get lots of inspo from in here. And I've just found magazines are definitely like what I prefer. I prefer magazines to books. Like I prefer reading an article to a novel, and these are my favourite magazines. So yeah, I'm going to use these and maybe create a mood board with that. But if you guys want to see like a video on kind of that, or once I've actually created it or creating it, if you guys let me know what kind of thing you would like to see with that, I would love to do that, because I think after, like, whilst working at Harrods, I've been like seeing the style trends from like a high-end budget perspective, but then also seeing like exactly the same things in H&M and Zara, and kind of like how to work with that. The next thing, whilst I was like putting things together for this haul, I realised that I bought this but I like completely forgot about it, but it's just a Tommy Hilfiger black cap. I think me and Shannon were talking about, I remember this now, me and Shannon were on the phone talking about the gym, etc, and I was like, oh, I see people having caps in the gym, and so I saw this on, I think it was like ASOS or maybe even JD, and I like the look of it, so I got it. Okay, next, I'm currently wearing them, but they are a pair of Lululemons. I have seen Tila done from YouTube, if you guys have seen her before. I've seen her wearing these for the past few years, and she always says, I've got my Lululemons on. She wears it with like the nicest outfits. They are their studio pants, so like they're a little bit shorter. I like having like a bit of ankle out because, I don't know, I think everything looks better with a bit of ankle out myself. They're super high-waisted as well, so I love them because you can just sit down, stand up, you can eat as much as you want, you'll still look slim. By the way guys, I got a different kind of nail. I got pink and white acrylics instead of my usual acrylics and then nude nail polish. I just got pink and white acrylics, so a bit of a switch over to makeup and beauty kind of things. I got 2 things from MAC. First one being a MAC lip conditioner. This literally is the best lip conditioner, lip balm ever. I wore it in this picture. I wore this and people were like, oh, what gloss is that? But it's literally just this nude lip liner combo, which is the NYX one I always use, and lip conditioner on top. Got a MAC Fix Plus, but this one's in coconut. I really like this one a lot better than the normal Fix Plus, which is just like the clear bottle. It smells lovely, but once you have the coconut one, like, I don't think you'll ever want to go back. Next thing is this YSL foundation. Basata recommended this to me. I think she had like, I don't know, I think her makeup just looked really nice that one day. And I was like, Basata, what is different? Like, your makeup looks so lovely. And it was this. It's the YSL All Hours foundation. And mine is in BD50 Warm Honey, which is definitely too dark for me. But you know what? I'm dealing with it. It's fine. But it's okay. Like, when I have a tan, I can get away with wearing it and just like highlighting my concealer in the middle of my face, whereas I might not usually as much as I do with this. I just find this is really, really nice. They actually last a really long time. Looks really, it's just I think it's a nice one to have for the collection. Next thing is this Benefit Bad Girl Bang Lash mascara. I don't know why I called it lash. It's a mascara, and this has been like all over Boots, Debenhams, literally anywhere that sells Benefit has been advertising this mascara so much. Next are these teeth whitening strips. Now it's probably quite weird that I'm just holding it like this, but I ordered it from Teeth Whitening UK or UK Teeth Whitening, something like that, a website. I'll link it down below. And they sell the Crest white strips, which they don't seem to sell in the UK. They only sell it in the US. I love, love, love these strips. I used them like last year and I saw a huge difference in the whiteness of my teeth. And I don't feel like my teeth are like yellow or anything, but I saw a huge difference. First thing is this Topshop bodysuit. I have it in black and I also bought it in grey. It's literally just a bodysuit that has these poppers on the chest, and it is like a very, very low like scoop neck. It's a bit like too booby for me. Like, every time I've worn it I've just been like, oh god, like I regret buying this, but I don't know, I not regret buying it, I just find that I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, it looks okay in the pictures, but I just feel like I'm constantly like pulling my top up just to like cover up. That's why I kind of like necklines like this. Okay, next, this jumper is from, I got it from New Look, but it's in like the section, if you guys have been to the Westfield New Look, it's like the label lounge section, so it's like different brands. And it's one of these like jumpers that have like the ruffles, but I didn't know this until recently, but you actually can wear it like over the shoulder, or you can just wear it like with a ruffle neck. And on the bottom it's a little bit ruffly too, so it expands, and it's the same on the cuff. Springtime I thought it'd be nice to have like a nice white jumper, as I don't actually have a white jumper. And also I've seen these on Instagram, and you can really, really dress this up with like a pair of strappy black heels, and then maybe like high-waisted trousers. Even like the trousers I'm going to show you in a bit, I could actually get away with wearing that, so that's just giving me an idea. Next was also from the same brand, Cameo Rose from New Look, and it's just this like Bordeaux red crop top, and it has like these like puffy sleeves, so it goes in and it cuffs here, so it's kind of like just the top part of your arm. You can really, really dress this up, and the thing I've been finding I want more of recently is outfits or like pieces that you can wear casually but you can dress up as well, because like this I really cannot dress up. Like this top I've had for like about a year now, and you can't dress this up really at all, so I want more things that I can. I got these two tops, and I thought this yellow one in particular would be so cute with like a pair of denim Levi's in the summer, because this top isn't like super short like a lot of tops like this. It's actually like a good length, so you could tuck it into a pair of shorts without having like excess material. So I got it in this yellow colour, and I also got it in this grey colour. Oh, and I've just found this one thing. This is a choker from New Look, and it's literally just circles, but they're like diamanted out. So I went into H&M and I got these trousers. I got them, they're like, what are they called, slacks. They're ankle length, and on the bottom, on the ankle, they have like a split. The zip is on the side, and that's the back. They're just these houndstooth black and white print. I've always loved like the look of printed trousers and just like cool trousers in general, because I'm definitely more of a trouser girl than like dresses and skirts unless I'm going out. But I saw them, and I saw there's a matching blazer which I really, really want, but I'm just never going to wear it. Like I would want it and I'd have it just to kind of like admire it on my wall, but I don't actually think I'd wear it. But these are really super cute. You will see later, I'm going to show you what I got from ASOS, but I did buy a very, very, very similar pair of houndstooth trousers, but they are super high-waisted instead of these, which are just like regular waist, and I'm going to see if I like them better. So also from H&M, I got this jumper. It's just this grey jumper, but the fun is here. So you can see it's got like this fringe, but it's also not just like regular fringe, it's like this chain material. So that's that. I do really like this jumper. The fit on the front does make you look a little bit pregnant, so what I would do, not to like show stomach or anything, but more like just the fit would be a bit nicer if I tried it on in the shop, and I think if I tie the back and just sort of like tuck it in at the back and it's not like super in your face, it would just make the fit a bit more like fitted and, you know, tighter, and just a little bit more complimentary to like my body. Last thing from H&M, again this is something I've seen in at work all the time, is this black pearl jumper. So as you can see on the bottom, it has all of these little pearls and it's really, really sweet, and it's just great because also on the sleeves it's there as well. And the sleeves I really, really like. Again, something I've seen at work and just in fashion recently. Trumpet sleeves and just regular sleeves where they don't cuff in, or if they are super big and then they cuff in, are very, 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 very in style, and I love them. And I just think the way this sits on the arms is just lovely. And I think this with some houndstooth trousers and maybe some like aaaand McQueen trainers, like I said, that would look so nice. So that's that. Another thing from PrettyLittleThing, which I forgot to show just a little bit earlier, this is just a bodysuit from PrettyLittleThing. I'm not even sure if I like it that much. Like, the arms feel a bit funny when they're on, and I'm not sure I'm a fan of like V-neck kind of style, but I have it anyway. It's just a white bodysuit. Like you can see, I haven't worn it out yet, but I think I'll find a use for it at some point. First thing is what I was talking about before, so the houndstooth trousers. Okay, so these are the trousers. They have, the thing I liked about them on the website is they have these little buttons on the bum, and it's just such a small thing, but I really, really like it. These are a bigger print of houndstooth in comparison, but I still like them. I don't know if I'll keep both. I might keep both. I'll see what I think. But these are high-waisted ones, and I really like high-waisted ones. I feel like they complement me more, and also it means I can actually choose more things to wear with it. Like, I can wear the red crop top I showed you earlier with a pair of nice red heels as well. And then the second package, oh yeah, it's just this white crew neck t-shirt. It's just Asos's classic crew neck t-shirt, because I have like a lot like this, but I've got like a Calvin Klein white t-shirt, and I've got like a Topshop t-shirt, but I'm not into them anymore. I don't know why. I think they're a bit too boxy. This one I like the most because it's pink, but yeah. So this haul lasted way longer than I thought it would. I was like talking to Nikisha yesterday, I was like, I feel like I don't have enough to put in a haul, but I obviously do. I bought way more than I thought I have. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, because I have thoroughly enjoyed filming again. As always, I do love filming once again. If you guys have any videos you would like to see, please let me know, because I'm thinking of doing a tanning routine, because I tried out the new Bondi Sands tan and I hated it so much, and on camera you could see, like, I literally washed it off and it just completely came off. Anyway, that's for that video. If you guys want to see that, I was going to do my tanning routine and me like showing a kind of review also in that video of that tan. I also wanted to do like a uni video again, because everyone really enjoyed the week in the life of the uni student video. Maybe I can do that. Also A-level tips, because Jesus, I have been seeing people revising for their A-levels this year, and I do not envy you guys. I have realised I found A-levels so much harder than uni. So if you want some tips and I can get like a lot of my friends' advice, I can talk to all my old school friends, please let me know, because I would be really happy to help you guys. So thank you all for watching. Please let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.